Today I'm going to show you how to make Paper Ninja stars. I've watched like 4 tutorials and they're all really hard, so that's why I'm making a tutorial on this. And they can actually throw pretty good. You're going to need one piece of paper and fold it once away from you, like that. So it's exactly in half. Then crease it really well, and then you can rip it or you can just cut it with scissors right down the center, because you're going to need half of a piece of paper for each part of it. Then, when you have 2 halves, you just want to take 1 half at a time and fold it in half once, so it's like that. Fold it in half, and then you want to fold that in half again, so it's even smaller, like that. And then you can do that same thing with the other. Just take it, fold it in half, fold it in half again, like that. And then you can take it and fold it like this way, like that, all the way in half. And then you can do that with the other. And then you can take it up like this and fold that upward. Make sure you always fold the right one upward, like the one on the right, and then the one on the left, fold it down along the center crease line, like that. And then do that with the other. Just take it like this, and then right where there's that center crease, you just fold the right side up, like that. And then the left side, you can fold down. Then you flip it over like this, and like that. So make sure they're both the same, like folded the same way. And then right here on the end, you fold it up just a little ways away from that top, because you want to have some folding room. And then you turn it over and do that on this side. And then you do that with the other. Sometimes the paper gets a little thick and can be hard to fold. There. Once you have both of them looking like this, so they're folded right there, like that, then you're going to take this edge down here and fold it up like that. So it like forms kind of like an S shape, like this, and that just folds up like that. And then you do it with the top, and you fold the top one the other way, like that. So then that forms an S like that, and then this is just like that. Then you do the same thing with the other one. Then to attach them, this is the tricky part that I didn't catch on other people's videos. Okay, so you have them like this. Actually, first, before you do that, you should fold these down like that, just along the edges, just so you can get them creased. And do that with the other. Then take it like this, and this one the same way. You don't want the sides like that have lines on them. You want this side that's smooth in the center. And you stick it right like that. And then this end right here, just fold it down over like that. So it's up. And think of this right here as the point, because that's what's going to be the point, not this. This just folds down. And then you take this other one, and you stick it on the inside in between these two layers. Right there. You can see like that. And then just have it out a little bit, because then you're going to take this one and fold that in and catch it in between the two layers of this next one. Like that. In there. And then you can pull it sideways and down some. And then this part is the hardest part. You want to pull this down quite a bit and get this under there. And then you're going to stick this into there, into the second layer. And then you can just kind of form it to get it right, and then it should look like this. Also, what you can do is you can make them weighted. I put 2/4 in this one, so it's like almost 5 times heavier than the original one, and that would let you throw it a lot harder and possibly more accurate. What you can do to weight it down with quarters is when you just take 2/4, and when you're at this point, so I took it apart, you can turn it over, and right here in the back where it folds open and close like that, you set a 1/4 right there, and the 1/4 should fit in there. And then you just fold it back over on the 1/4, and then flip it over, but hold it shut like that. And then you can set it over there, and then another one, you do that with the other one, just open it up right here in the back, and then set the 1/4 in, and then fold it back shut. And then just in case you didn't catch the first time how I put it in, you do it the same way, just like this, and then you can stick that in down, and then this you can just lock in right there, under, like under the second, like in the layers. Then you can put this one under. It makes it a lot more stiff and harder to make, but overall I think it's going to perform a lot better like this, just because then it's going to be a lot heavier. And then you can just flatten it out nice like that. And that's how you make it weighted. You can also color them like this. This one is not weighted. I have 2 weighted ones and 2 normal ones. The normal ones work good, but I would definitely say that the weighted ones are better, being about 5 times the weight of the normal one. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you get your throwing star right. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.